Is that angry red ball on your C drive starting to stress you out? It's a common problem. Your computer is secretly hoarding tens of gigabytes of digital junk, old update files, temporary data, and other clutter in hidden folders. Over time, the stuff really piles up, sometimes eating up a massive amount of storage without you even notice. It doesn't just take up room, it can actually slow your computer down, making everything from booting up to launching apps feel sluggish. But what if I told you that you don't need to be a tech genius or buy any sketchy software to fix it? In about 10 minutes, I'm going to walk you through a simple process using powerful, safe tools that are already built into Windows. We're going to target and safely delete all that hidden trash. These steps are primarily for Windows 11, but similar tools exist in Windows 10, so you can still follow along. By the end, that red ball will be a distant memory and your computer will finally have room to breathe. Alright, let's kick things off with the easiest, most hands-off method, a feature called Storage Sense. Think of it as an automatic cleaning service for your PC that works quietly in the background. Once you turn it on, it will automatically get rid of files you don't need, like temporary system files and things that have been sitting in your recycling bin for way too long. For most people, this one tool alone can reclaim a lot of space with zero effort. First, let's get it turned on and configured. Open the Start menu by pressing the Windows key and just type Storage Settings. Click on the Storage Settings option that pops up. Right at the top, you'll see Storage Sense. If it's off, just click the toggle to switch it on. Now for the important part, customization. Click on the word Storage Sense to open its settings page. This is where you tell Windows exactly how you want to clean it. You'll see an option called Run Storage Sense. You can set this to run daily, weekly, monthly, or only when you're low on disk space. Running it weekly is a great sweet spot for most users to keep things tidy. Next, take a look at the recycling bin settings. By default, it might be set to never delete files from there, which is a huge space waster. Go ahead and change this to delete files in my recycling bin. If they have been there for over 30 days, I'm going to do 14 just because I don't need it for 30 days. 2 weeks is enough time for me. This gives you a whole month to recover an accidental deletion while making sure old trash doesn't stick around forever. You'll also see an option for your downloads folder. Be careful with this one, a lot of us keep important files there. I personally set this to never because I'd rather clean out my own downloads folder myself. But if you know you only use it for temporary junk, you could set it to delete files that haven't been touched in 60 days. Just be absolutely sure you won't miss anything. Finally, make sure the box for automatic clean up temporary system files is checked. This is key. Once you got it all set up, you don't have to wait. For a 10-minute cleanup, scroll down and hit the Run Storage Sense Now button. Windows will immediately start cleaning based on your new rules. And depend on how much junk has built up, this step alone can free possibly 10 gigabytes or more. Storage Sense is great for automatic light cleaning, but to reclaim that massive 50 gigabytes of space, we need to bring out the big guns. And by that, I mean a classic built-in tool called Disk Cleanup. This thing is incredibly powerful because it can target leftover files from major Windows updates, which are often the biggest space hogs on your entire PC system. To get started, head to the Windows search bar again and type Disk Cleanup. Click on the app to open it. A small window will pop up asking you to select a drive. It should default to C, which is what we want, so just hit OK. The tool will do a quick internal scan. Afterwards, you'll see a list of files you can delete, like temporary internet files. You can click these, but this is just the first layer. The cool thing is in the next step. Look for a button that says Clean Up System Files. This is the jackpot. Click it. Windows will ask for admin permission, and then it will restart and do a much deeper scan. This one takes longer because it's hunting for massive files, like old Windows installations. When the new window appears, you'll see a much more interesting list. Scroll through and you'll likely find 2 items taking up a shocking amount of space. Windows Update Cleanup and Previous Window Installation. The Windows Update Cleanup can hold gigabytes of old update files. The Previous Windows Installation folder, also known as Windows.old, is created after a big update and can easily be 20 gigs or more. This folder lets you roll back to your previous version of Windows, but it gets deleted automatically after 10 days. Anyway, if you're happy with your current Windows version, getting rid of this is one of the biggest wins for reclaiming space. Go ahead and check the boxes for Windows Update Cleanup, previous Windows installation, delivery optimization files, and thumbnails. The tool shows you the total space you'll recover at the top. Don't be surprised if it's over 30 gigs or more. When you're ready, click OK and then delete files. This part can take a while, sometimes 10 to 15 minutes or more if it's a huge cleanup. So just be patient and let it do its thing. Alright, for our next step, we use a smarter, more modern feature in Windows 11 called Cleanup Recommendations. This tool is awesome because it intelligently scans your PC and organizes potential junk into easy to understand categories, making it super simple to see what's safe to remove. To get there, go back to the main storage settings page. Right below the storage sense option, you'll see Cleanup Recommendations. Click on it. Windows will break things down into 4 categories: temporary files, large or unused files, files synced to the cloud, and unused apps. Click on the temporary files selection. This will look a bit like disk cleanup, but with a cleaner interface. If you just ran disk cleanup, this area might be pretty empty, but it's always worth a double check. The real gold here is the other selections. Click on large or unused files. Windows will scan your personal folders and point out files that are both big and haven't been opened in a while. This is a fantastic way to find old video projects, massive zip files you forget about, or old game installers. Just carefully review the list and unclick anything you want to keep. Next is file sync to the cloud. If you use OneDrive, this shows you files that are safely backed up online, but are also taking up space on your local hard drive. Removing the local copy is an easy way to free up space, and the file is still just a click away in OneDrive when you're online. Finally, there's unused apps. This list shows programs you haven't opened in a while, making it easy to spot software you don't need anymore. Select any app you're sure you don't use and click the cleanup button to uninstall them. After you've gone through each category, just hit the cleanup button in each section to finalize the deletion. We've now used the 3 best built-in cleaning tools in Windows. The last step is to admire our success and make sure you never have to worry about this again. First, let's see the payoff. Open file. That scary red bar on your C drive should be gone, replaced by a healthy blue bar and a ton of new free space. It's incredibly satisfying to see, and your PC should already be feeling a bit snappier. A hard drive with at least 10 to 20% free space just wants better. And for one last bonus tip, take a minute to manually check your downloads folder. This folder is often a digital graveyard for everything we've ever downloaded. Sort the files by size to instantly see what's eating up the most room. You'll probably find old software installers, huge PDF files, and zip files. You only need it once. Delete everything you don't need and move anything important to a permanent home like your documents folder. This is a manual step, but it's often worth an extra 10 gigabytes of reclaimed space. And there you have it. In 10 minutes, we used 3 powerful free and built-in window tools to declutter your system and reclaim a massive amount of disk space. We turned on the automatic cleaning powers of Storage Sense, did a deep purge with disk cleanup, and used cleanup recommendations to find forgotten files and apps. Your computer now has the breathing room it needs to run faster and feel like new again. Now for the fun part. I want to know your high score. Drop a comment below and tell me exactly how many gigabytes you managed to free up. I bet some of you beat the 50 gigabyte challenge. It's always amazing to see how much junk was hiding in the shadows. If this video helped you, hitting that like button would be awesome. For more tips on making your PC faster and more effective, Make sure you subscribe and ring the notification bell. You won't want to miss my next video. And as always, many blessings. Bye.